Hi, I'm Morgan from MORryde. We are proud to be a sponsor for the Drab to Fab project presented by the RV Women's Alliance. The Drab to Fab project involves female volunteers from organizations all across the country to come together to restore an older travel trailer by updating and upgrading the RV to look brand new. The RV Women's Alliance is an organization dedicated to fostering the next generation of female RV industry leaders and innovators. Their mission is to unite, inspire, recruit, and develop a more diverse workforce by supporting women with education, resources, and opportunities. Part of our sponsorship includes donating and helping install the step above for basically stable entry in and out of the unit. It was awesome to see the reaction of relief and excitement when they compared it to the original and the new. We also installed a storage box and for just like camping gear. We also installed 2 adjustable TV mounts, heavy-duty shackle kit that had bronze bushings and greasable wet bolts. The finished RV will be revealed and then raffled off with the proceedings going towards and furthering the RVWA. As far as the installation process, this was my first time installing these particular products, and with a little bit of guidance and instruction, things went pretty smoothly. Of course, it was fun using the power tools, and of course Gary Wheeler got a pretty big kick out of that one. I think it's important to show that women can work in diverse work settings and do a lot of the same tasks that men can do, especially in this industry where it's so heavily dominated by men. And it also shows that women have the ability, especially like a project like this, to bring a large collaboration of people together, that companies and groups that are normally rivals and competitors, to have them work together on one unit.